Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2013 Triumph Bonneville. This bike has got just a little over 3,700 miles on it and is in mint condition. Got a couple of nice highlights on it, so let's take a walk around it and then we'll fire it up. This bike has been very well taken care of and very well kept. As you can see, front tire's in great shape, got a lot of miles left on that. They went with the old style beehive style blinkers on it. It does have aftermarket grips on it. As you can see, the rear tire itself is in great shape, got a lot of miles left on it. It has an aftermarket tail section on it. This bike is just really, really clean. Very well taken care of. And if you notice, it does not have mirrors on it right now. Once it goes through service, it will have a legal mirror on it. Whether it has two or one, as long as it's got a legal mirror on it, we're good to go. So that will be done before it leaves here. All right, show you those miles now. 3407. Oh, I gotta set the camera down. This Bonneville will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.